Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to create a new SQL Server database. I'm gonna use SQL Server 2012. Um, First, let's connect to the server. Okay, now to create a new database, simply new database. Let's name it, for example, store, or I have a store. Let's call it market. Okay. And just click OK. Now to add that table, let's add simply first table. It's gonna be product. The product will have an ID. That's an integer. Let's make it primary key, and let's make it auto increment. Here is it. Identity specification. We make its identity is yes. That's all. And we will give it a name. It will be varchar. Let's call 50. And price. It will be float. And amount be an integer. That's all. Save as product. And let's make a new one with a client ID. This is an integer. It's primary. Okay, and let's make it an identity. Okay, we'll need a name only. Varchar, for example, max. Let's save it as client, and I'm gonna make invoice. Also not invoice, I'll make a bill. Let's say this is the ID integer. Identity. If you don't know what is identity, it's simply used by the database to insert the ID automatically, so you will guarantee that there is no duplicating in the IDs. I'm gonna add a number, integer, and the total price. Sorry. Okay, this is gonna be a float. Save. This is bill, I think. It's spell like this. It's not important. And the last one is client bill. Why I'm gonna, or the product bill, why I'm gonna make something like this? Because the bills and the products are many-to-many relationships, so it should be in a table. Simply we'll have here an ID, integer, set as a primary, and identity. Okay, bill ID, integer, and product ID, integer. It's gonna be the product bill. And finally we need to add the client here, client ID, and this is integer. Okay, this is the first step. We finish the tables, but we don't see them here. Simply just make a refresh, and here are they. So the first question that any new user on the SQL server will ask himself, okay, I finished the tables, how can I create the relations? Simply see here there is database diagrams. Just new database diagram. Yes. Now select the tables you want to add relations to. Click on add. Okay, close. Let's put them in a good way. Okay, this is the bill, product, client. Okay, now simply this is the product ID. Just click on it and keep pressing down until you find the place that you want to make the relation it, just like this. And here's the check. Yes, this is the product ID will be in the product bill in the product ID. Okay, it's the same for the bill, and it's the same for the client ID. And simply we save the diagram. Okay, now I will have an alert that product client bill and the product bill will be affected. I'm gonna click on yes, and that's all. Hope that this video will give a benefit for you. Best triggers. Goodbye.